Good day sir. Morning akong na activity sa Wishlink sa Hotpot. Harang gi harang gikuan sa akong vlog is gi-promote na mo ang among tourist spot sa among baryo, which is ang Panyan Tubod nga bag-o pa sidya nga na-develop mga 1 year pa man siguro ni 2 years nga na mag 2 years na karon. Ang gitaytolan og Discovering the Hidden Gem Panyan Tubod St. Bernard Southern Leyte. Mao na ijang cover page na ang pool kibali sa mao nga tubod, may cottage natay mabasa diri. Nestled in the heart of Barangay Panyan in St. Bernard, Southern Leyte, Panyan Tubod is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered, a local treasure. This natural spring pool offers a unique and refreshing experience for both locals and tourists alike. So sa kanis sir kani nga kuan pag-promote na sa among tourist spot sa among baryo. Kuan is the sir na natural ra ni sir gikan sa mismo sa tubod. Nya gihimuan sidya og pool, nya gihimuan sidya og cottage. Nga anja na po ni sidya nature viewing sa babaw bitaw sir. Anja na. Panyan Tubod is not your typical resort. Instead, it offers a more organic and natural experience with 3 pools filled it with water flowing directly from a spring. The clear, cool water provides a refreshing escape from the tropical heat, while the lush surroundings offer a sense of tranquility and connection with the nature. The resort is well equipped with amenities including cottages for rent, a view deck, parking area, and convenience store. The view deck offers a para panoramic view of the surrounding landscape, a perfect spot for photo enthusiasts or anyone who appreciates the beauty of nature. So the journey of Tupanyan Tubod is an adventure itself. The resort is located in Barangay Panyan, a small municipality of St. Bernard. When it comes to rate, Panyan Tubod offers affordable options for visitor. The entrance for the monitoring visit is 30 pesos for adults and 20 pesos for children. If you wish to stay overnight, the rates are 70 pesos for adult and 70 as well for children. Sa girinta sa cottage, ang Panyan Tubod ning offer pod og nga pangbuntag nga rate, which is 250, 400 and 700. Depende siya sa kadakon sa mao nga cottage. Ja og mo overnight pod mo sir, pwede siya mga mo overnight na ay jay cottage og 500, 600 and 1,200. Money na sa overnight. Foods na po na sila gi-offer pod nga foods mismo sa mao nga tourist site sa Panyan Tubod. Maka-relax po na siya. Panyan Tubod is more than just a resort. It's a testament to the natural beauty of Southern Leyte and the warm hospitality of its people. Whenever you are local resident looking for a weekend gateway or tourist seeking to explore less traveled parts of the Philippines, Panyan Tubod offers a unique and memorable experience. So the next time you find yourself in Southern Leyte, don't forget to stop at Panyan Tubod. Take a dip in the cool spring waters, enjoy the serene surroundings, and immerse yourself in the local culture. It's an experience you won't want to miss. So mo ni siya sa akong gi-promote sa amo, which is ang among local tourist spot, which is ang Panyan Tubod. Bago pa po ni siya. Sa akong website gihimo sir, currently natay 40 ni visit na 40. Diyan natay 6 comments. Si Nati, ang comment og heart. Si Rowena 5 star. Diyan na pa John Mark Braulio. Itong basahan ni diyang comment. As a resident in Panyan before, I recommended this spot for occasions and hangouts. Not only that, but their entrance is cost friendly, which means you can bring all your friends and family without worrying your wallet. The water quality in the pool is so refreshing. Uncalled, it's 100% for me. Diya dapat comment ni Ana 5 star. Diya kang Shahani. Hidden place, as a tourist student, this must to visit. Diya dapat kang Darwin Heart. Diya na po yung link diri sa ilang Facebook page. Makita ning button ni FB, maklik na dito sa ilang Facebook page. Ini mo internet. Diya na po gilink po ninaw sa Google Maps, sir. Just in case ba sila katuod kay pabukid malagi ni na ni Google Map. Mutuod ni sidya. Kung di sila katuod tahay ba. Pwede sila mo visit sa maong Google Map. Hinayam ka tong internet, sir.